Alright, let's just get straight to it. No fluff. Generative AI. You're hearing this term everywhere. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Think of it like a super smart assistant who's watched every movie, read every book, seen every ad ever made. You don't just ask it a question and get a fact back. No, that's old news. You give it a prompt, an idea, a little spark. You say, hey, create something new for me. And boom, it does. It generates brand new stuff. Text, images, videos, code that didn't exist a second ago. It's not just copying and pasting, it's creating. It's the ultimate creative partner. This isn't some far-off future stuff from a sci-fi movie. It's here, right now, today, in September 2025. This technology is a content engine. Imagine you need a blog post about the 5 best sneakers for running a marathon. Instead of spending hours researching and writing, you can ask an AI, write me a blog post. Make it punchy. Make it for an audience that loves fitness, but hates boring articles. It will spit out a draft in seconds. Take the beauty industry. Brands like Sephora are using AI to create hyper-personalized customer experiences. You go on their app, and an AI tool analyzes your face, suggests products that match your skin tone, and even lets you try on different shades of lipstick virtually. This isn't just a gimmick. It understands the customer at a deep level. What they've bought before, what they've browsed, what similar customers love. It's using data to serve the individual, not just a demographic. That's how you build loyalty. Coca-Cola, a legacy brand, a giant, isn't sleeping on this. They launched a campaign called Create Real Magic. They used an AI platform to generate incredible, otherworldly artwork featuring their iconic bottle. They opened up the tool to fans and artists, letting them create their own versions. The result? A tidal wave of user-generated content, all branded, all unique, and all driven by AI. They turned their audience from passive consumers into active creators. It's not just for the big players either. I'm seeing small e-commerce shops, the one-person hustles, using AI to punch way above their weight. They're using tools like Midjourney to create stunning, professional-looking product photos without a photographer or a studio. They're using ChatGPT to write compelling product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media captions in minutes. This levels the playing field. AI is the great equalizer for those willing to put in the work to learn it. Content is the battleground of modern marketing. Attention is the currency. You win attention by putting out relevant content, valuable content, consistent content. But who has the time? That's where AI changes the entire equation. It's a content machine that operates at a scale we've never seen before. You need 10 variations of an ad for Facebook. Each targets a different niche. In the past, that was a week of work. For a copywriter, for a designer. Today, with generative AI, that's 10 minutes of work. You just feed the AI the core message. Tell it the different audiences. It will spit out customized copy. It will create visuals for each one. This isn't just about speed, it's about creativity. AI can help you break out of your creative ruts. We all have them. You've been staring at a blank page for an hour, trying to think of a new angle for your product. Just ask the AI. Give me 10 crazy ideas for a viral video about my new brand of hot sauce. It might give you 9 bad ideas. But that one golden nugget, that one idea you never would have thought of, could be the one that gets you 1 million views. It's an infinite brainstorming partner. It pushes your thinking into new territories. It's like having a creative director on demand. Okay, let's get real for a minute. I'm hyped about AI, you can tell, but I'm also a realist. This isn't some magic pill that solves all your problems. There are challenges, there are speed bumps, and you need to be smart about it. The biggest one? Accuracy and trust. These AI models are incredibly powerful, but they can be wrong. They can hallucinate, which is a fancy way of saying they make stuff up. If you ask it for a historical fact or a statistic and don't double-check it, you could end up publishing completely false information. That can destroy your brand's credibility in a heartbeat. You have to be the human filter, always. Another huge concern is originality and ethics. Who owns the content that an AI creates? If an AI learns from millions of artists' work online and then creates something in their style, is that inspiration or is it theft? These are massive, complex questions that we're still figuring out. And if everyone starts using the same AI tools with the same prompts, we could end up with a sea of generic, soulless marketing content. The brands that will win will be the ones that use AI as a starting point, not a finishing point. They'll take the AI's output and inject their own unique voice, their own personality, their own human soul into it. Then there's the fear factor. People are worried. Is this AI going to take my job? Look, some jobs will change. They have to. Your job isn't to be a better machine than the machine. Your job is to be more human. The future belongs to those who can partner with AI, not compete with it. So, what's the end game here? Where is all this heading? Let me paint a picture for you of the future of marketing, a future that's already starting to happen. It's going to be hyper-personalized, dynamic, conversational. Forget about creating one ad for 1 million people. The future is about creating 1 million different ads, one for each person. An AI will dynamically generate an ad on the fly, just for you, based on your browsing history, the time of day, the weather where you are, and even the mood it thinks you're in. The ad you see will be completely different from the ad your friend sees a second later. Marketing is going to become more of a conversation. Instead of just pushing messages out, brands will use AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that can have genuinely helpful, natural conversations with customers 24/7. Imagine you're shopping for a new camera. You can go to a brand's website and have a conversation with an AI that asks you what you'll be shooting, what your budget is, and what your skill level is. It will then recommend the perfect camera, show you tutorials, and answer all your questions. This isn't a sales pitch, it's a service. The role of the marketer is going to evolve dramatically. The marketers of tomorrow won't be just copywriters or media buyers. They will be AI whisperers and prompt engineers. They'll be the creative directors guiding the AI, setting the strategy, and curating the output. Their core skill will be their ability to ask the right questions, to feed the AI the right creative sparks, and to use their human judgment to pick the winning ideas from the thousands the AI generates. It's a shift from being a manual laborer of content to being the architect of an entire marketing ecosystem. It's a much more strategic and, frankly, a much more exciting job. The time to learn, experiment, and execute is right now. Go get it.